Hi and welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this natural homemade emulsified body butter. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. And for this winter season, if you're having dry skin and if you're having eczema, this will be your best bet. This has a moisturizing property in it. It's made with aloe vera juice and cocoa butter. So to make this emulsified body butter, I have my ingredients measured out. The first ingredient I have is my aloe vera juice. If you don't have aloe vera juice, you can use distilled water or rose water to make this emulsified body butter. And the next I have is my emulsifying wax. I'm using emulsifying wax NF. You can use e-wax, olive 1000 oil, whichever emulsifying wax you have available. Then the next is my cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is very good on the skin, especially during the dry season. It helps lock in moisture on your skin. So the next I have my oil measured out. I'm using almond oil. You can use fractionated coconut oil or grapeseed oil. So in a bowl, I'm adding my emulsifying wax. For my emulsifying wax, I have 14 grams of emulsifying wax. Then I have my cocoa butter. I have 81 grams of cocoa butter measured out, and that's what I'm adding into my bowl. Then after adding my cocoa butter, then the next I'm adding is my almond oil. For my almond oil, I have 57 grams of almond oil. Remember, you can use any oil available. And for my aloe vera juice, I use 58 grams of aloe vera juice. And at this point, in hot water bath, I'm going to place the two bowls in a hot water bath and heat it up to melt the oils and butters. And after melting my oils and butter, I'm going to combine the both phases together and move in with my immersion blender. After mixing for 2 minutes, I will let it sit and mix it again until I combine both phases together. So at this point, I'm adding strawberry extract. This is homemade. Below this video, I'm going to drop the link on how to make this extract. Then here I have 10 grams of strawberry extract, and I added it to my butters, and I'm going to give it a mix. So here's what the consistency is looking like. The next is my vitamin E oil. I added 2 grams of vitamin E oil. Then after adding my vitamin E oil, I'm adding my preservative. I have 2 grams of preservative. I use liquid German plus. You can use any preservative you know best how to use. And after adding my preservative, the next I'm adding is my fragrance oil. I'm using doTERRA jasmine oil, fragrance oil. You can use any fragrance oil of choice. So guys, at this point, this is the consistency, and I love this consistency. Don't forget to share my videos, and if you have any question, use the comment section. So after mixing it at this point, the next is to transfer it into a sterilized container. So this emulsified body butter will last between 1 to 2 years, and depending on the preservative you use. Remember to follow your manufacturer's instruction. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.